If you're experiencing matchmaking error 2026 in Minecraft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Minecraft server status page or community forums to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Minecraft completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Go to your game launcher and check for any available updates. Download and install them to fix potential bugs. Step 4. Check internet connection. Verify that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error 2026 and enjoy your Minecraft experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.